Angels are constantly keeping an eye on you and recognizing that you are at a turning point and that a big improvement in your relationships, profession, health, and wealth is imminent. If you're viewing this, prepare yourself for a miracle that will transform your life completely. Play today, try something new, and pretend that things are getting better and better. Make yourself smile and prepare to receive. Don't expect it to happen that way. Just know that you deserve it and that something amazing will continue to surprise you. Your route has been cleared, all obstacles have been eliminated, and you will only experience an unstoppable acceleration going forward. Now is the moment to begin receiving. Everything is coming together, and your manifestation is almost at your door. Warmly smile and welcome your dream inside. The cosmos is supporting you through thick and thin, like your cosmic friend giving you encouragement and a dash of hope that you're safe and destined for brighter days ahead. Your dreams are coming true much sooner than you believe. When you approach it as a vibration rather than as reality, the universe will react, and your reality will change into something genuinely remarkable. Reflect the energy you wish to attract. A surge of abundance. Health and happiness are on the horizon. Prepare to embrace the wealth and happiness that lie ahead of you. A better future is just around the corner. God is telling you that today will bring victory to your family, victory in your finances, victory in your health, prosperity, blessings, love, growth, and victory. TM is giving you the grace to handle the difficulties you are facing, and things that used to worry you will no longer control you. Let my peace guard your heart and mind. Things will get better. I intend to intentionally bless you, elevate you, and quicken your aspirations. Prepare yourself because I'm going to offer you something you didn't earn and put you in a position you couldn't have achieved on your own. Type 1111 to confirm that God is telling you that a new door is about to open for you today and that the difficulties you are presently having are coming to an end. Stay faithful, stay in faith, and obey my orders because I'm going to move you into a place of greater rewards. A sudden rush of benefits and possibilities is about to come your way. Have patience and believe in my timing. It's going to happen. Don't give up. Your breakthrough is coming. You've been through enough good things in life, and now you're going to get the miracle you've been praying for. I can do the impossible. I can create a situation where it seems impossible for me to affect your family, home, or health. Your money and faith today. TM is providing you the grace to handle the difficulties you're having. Things that used to worry you will no longer control you. Let my serenity protect your heart and mind. Things will improve. I will intentionally bless you, elevate you, quicken your dreams, give you what you didn't deserve. Provide a path for you to remain motionless and know that I am God, and send you healing solutions. Answers. You are going to be promoted to the next level of your life, the next level in your career, the next level in your finances, and the next level in your relationship. I am doing something new in your life. You may be exhausted, discouraged, and frustrated, but don't give up. Your situation is about to change. Despite your mistakes, despite the failures and delays, I'm still going to bless you. I'm still going to heal you, and I'm still going to bring that dream to pass the pain, heartache, questions, and sleepless nights. Miracles, angels, and blessings your way. It's time for you to grin again because I'm going to open the windows of heaven and pour down everything you've been hoping for and praying for. Love, health, and prosperity are on the way. Remember that you are not alone in this. Allow me to assist you. My angels are with you. Just relax and have faith in me. You really need to become enthusiastic again because I have incredible plans for you that are bigger than anything you could ever imagine or ask for. To confirm this, type 222. You'll chuckle once more. The best is yet to come. You're going to fall in love and trust once more. God is telling you that I will restore everything you have lost and that you will receive the miracle you have been praying for today. I can accomplish the seemingly impossible and create a way that will benefit your finances, home, family, faith, and health today with healing blessings and favor. I'm sending my angels before you to destroy the enemy's plans, and I have you covered. You will arrive at your destination, and I will bless you beyond measure. I will turn your problems around, so don't give up. The answers are coming. I'm giving you eternal peace, and even though anxiety consumes your heart, you will overcome this. The best is yet to come. I'm saying yes to your dream, yes to your prayer, and yes to your breakthrough. Suddenly, everything will fall into place, and I'm going to make a way for you. You must prepare yourself because your blessing will come sooner than you think. All it takes is one call, one opportunity, and your life will change for the better. You've been through enough, and you're going to get the miracle you've been praying for. God has great plans for you, my darling child, much excellent than you could have imagined and greater than your hopes and faith that He's employed in your circumstances to exceed your expectations. Have faith in Him. No matter what God that you are facing has the ability to change your conditions, have confidence and trust in God that the circumstances you're in right now are not lasting, rather than your eternal reality, and He'll direct you toward a more location, even as our goals, desires, and our prayers don't seem to be working. That the goodness and sovereignty of God, love and loyalty will never allow us to. He is the rock that doesn't give up. Over one's lifetime, storms similar to this one. If you possess have faith in God, you will succeed no matter what. As tempting as it may seem right now, hold on and don't give up, and God will bless you. Honor your loyalty, forbearance, and your faith in Him when circumstances turn overwhelming, when your power is lost, when you're uncertain about how to. When everything is well, I have God. It into the only thing you can pray to God can still hear, even in the quietest of moments, whisper a decent person's prayer, is strong, and how powerful your trust in God may be, marvels as well as, yes, if you agree. Miracles type. When it is time for a change, you'll sense. It will make you want to let go of peel-back layers to proceed to recreate. You'll be aware of it. Since there will be minute changes everywhere you look. We'll let go of the past, since you are genuinely making way for what's go ahead. Believe this procedure, understand that life is not anything from us until there is something more that is about to arrive, replacement, that you can outgrow even though change is uncomfortable at first times. That are required. Modification indicates personal development. You're learning new information and gaining additional knowledge about individuals, seasons, and uneasy territories, which is why maintaining a teachable heart is crucial when you let yourself to continuous search for growth, learning, and creating new items. You're also so regularly using your religion to think bigger. Things grow beyond you, sweetie. There are more out there for you, pal. Never give up and don't be scared to. You are intended to be better, therefore change. A more mature version of oneself, any kind I think I am capable of. Declare that you will as you move. Start to understand that you are not you were the same person before the things you've evolved from someone you used to tolerate unbearable when you used to be silent. You are now speaking in your truth, where you used to fight and quarrel. You are now deciding to stay still. You're starting to get it. The importance of your voice, as well as certain circumstances that are no longer deserving your time, effort, and concentrate and allow life to turn into your masterpiece, allows it to potentially be the best possible life. Visualize realizing all of your dreams. Reality, since a second life does not exist if the former existence is inferior to yours. Hope there were only one life to live. Capture all of your dreams. Should not be scared to fail. Because if you will fail, if you don't attempt. In any case, this is the only one. Choice, therefore, let your aspirations too. In actuality, this is the only life you have. Type, if you get this, I claim it. Declaration. Despite the discomfort of change, times that are required modification indicates that you're expanding and learning new stuff and becoming more knowledgeable about people's seasons and uneasy territories, which is why maintaining a teachable heart is crucial. When you let yourself to continuous search for growth, learning, and creating new things, you are also consistently using your religion to think bigger things surpass you, my love. There are more out there for you, pal. Never give up, and don't be scared to. You are intended to be better, therefore change, a more mature version of oneself. In any case, you've sufficiently punished yourself. Additionally, much now that you're merely going more slowly down, and it's unhealthy. It's acceptable to simply feel all right your time. Discover how to relish the procedure with which you have no competition somebody else, but you may be the healthiest person you know. Can take a step back and look at your lifestyle and your manner of reduce your worry and concentrate on your work. Further information about don't be too hard on yourself. Keep developing. Your errors as well as your flaws, that they are a component of procedure. We're frequently the thing that's slowing down. Us down is themselves. Perhaps you can cease abusing us. Get up right now and simply exist. Current material does not imply that we have to give up on our dreams and dream on, for God knows what lies ahead for you. In His kind hands, if you sense this one, say yes. One thing about God I know for sure is that He will never deprive you of everything without planning to swap it out with a significant item. Better is what He said. Could it be that you're getting frustrated? You might have lost your job right now. Know that no matter what, He will never abandon you empty, and He'll come back all that you lost and unlock the opportunity doors on the right for you. Yes, things can get really painful over time. Challenging and unclear at the moment, need a great deal of faith to declare that God has a higher plan for me. But sometimes all you need to do is pause and gaze. Looking back at all God has accomplished in the past, and keep in mind that if He accomplished it then and He was faithful to complete it,